Are you looking for a compact and efficient solution for small-scale printing? Meet our desktop pad printing machine, your perfect partner for printing on objects of all shapes. At present, this is DSTA, our machine's latest desktop pad machine. New model DXUT1 to 5 to 90 tabletop pad printer. It has many advantages. 1. First of all, its sealed ink cartridge system can effectively reduce ink volatilization. In addition, it has a wide range of applicability and can be used to print low-volume customized products such as pens, bottle caps, flat bottles, necklaces, etc. This DXUT1 to 5 to 90 is available at a discounted price until the end of April. You can take it home for less than $700. The promotion ends in April.
Upgrade your production today with a desktop pad printer. Dream big possibilities. Visit us at www.printing-machine.com.